Alright, here we are, just off the coast of Greece, here in the Mediterranean. Rare. What? Is it? It's behind. Oh my god. Alright, guys, alright. This is a Thai monkey. It's native to this area. You see this? Oh, no, it's seen us. Just don't move too close. Let's get it! No. It's gone. It's already gone.
Get him, go!
Alright. Now, here's what just happened here. Alright? Try and catch my breath for a second. This is one of the rarest creatures of this region, of course. Now, actually, I think I saw him duck into this bush right over here, right?
Alright.
He just creep up on me, right? Better record. You guys ready? Oh my god, there he is! Come on! Oh, he's there! Oh, god, yeah! So, Dick, back in there. Oh my god, you can't. He's going. Oh, it's on my pants. Oh, hurt my leg. Oh, but he's gone. Oh man. It's a rare treat too. Seen one of my close.
That was crazy.
It's been a while, man. Oh, it's good. Alright, now we've caught up with our old friend. The one we were chasing around earlier. Now, he seems to have caught in a little bit of mischief here. He's gonna be right down in this creek here. Right? I think he's bathing and licking some of his wounds. We're gonna see. We're gonna sneak up on him right now. At that creek that I was just telling you about, okay? We're gonna banana around slow. Keep all your movements very, very slow, okay? Alright. Now, go ahead and see him. He's bathing. I'm gonna sneak down for a closer look. Shh, everybody be very quiet. Monkey! Get the hell out of here! You can tell it's such a smart and cunning animal. It knows that we cannot get to it through this, and it knows, and it's got several ways out. The jump from there to there, as you see, I know for a fact that it can make it. It's not anything for this animal to get away, no matter how close we are to it right now. If you just calm down. See, he's smelling to see if we're a threat right now. But he doesn't know that we're not a threat. But he could. Here we go. I think he's gonna go.
I think we scared him too much.
He's very, very timid right now. See, he's showing his dominance. Okay, you notice the display of mud on his arse, and the look. Actually, that's the breeding look, which disturbs me just a little bit. But right around his arse, right there.
I think if we be quiet, I think he might forget we're here.
This is how cunning this animal is. Look at him hiding. Okay, it's smart, but it's not too smart because it doesn't realize that we can still see it. As long as he can't see us, it thinks that we're not here anymore. We'll probably stand here for hours It's probably starved to death. That's how utterly stupid this creature really is. Majestic, but stupid. Now, if you notice what it's doing here, it's still trying to taunt us. Alright, now, if we just stay still, we don't make any sounds, no sudden movements. This animal is so dumb. I'm sorry, it's not that intelligent. It's so not intelligent that it will actually come back down, and as long as it thinks we're not moving, it can actually see us. Kinda like in Jurassic Park when they talk about T-Rex. Exactly. Just watch. It doesn't even think we're here right now. It doesn't even think we're here. Now watch the surprise. It looks like we come out of nowhere when I move. Watch this, watch. Just watch. Utterly amazing.